anything about stuff. It's gonna be just a quick little update video with all the stuff that hopefully will be happening very soon. Maybe this week. Hoping this week I get my new 350 and I'm gonna swap out the intake. Paint the intake. And basically just dress that motor up. And then get the drains sticking in here. Make transmission mounts. Trans cross member. And on the fuel system, which is right there, fuel tank. My temporary fuel tank is not a real fuel tank. It's just a gas can. And wire it and just make sure it runs before I do anything else. Then go and put fenders on and finish painting everything because I need to get the entire thing done. As you can see, there's chipping paint over here. You can see rust, so I need to address that. Along with, I need to also address some rust on the back there. And I need to get this bolt painted and address that rust. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff I need to get addressed. Along with address rust and underneath this. Hold on. I have to open this. Why is Dylan still over there? Back here. Well, it literally, I don't know why, but it literally smells like Silverdor City right here.
So why would you call Grandma?
It smells like Fire in the Hall.